So this video is about linear equations and formulae. We're going to be looking at brackets and how to get rid of fractions, and also look at collecting like terms and simplifying the same as we did with the expressions in the previous video. So here we've got 2 brackets x plus 3 equals 1 minus x all over 3. First thing we need to do is get rid of that fraction by multiplying through everything with a 3. 2 times 3 is 6, so that changes the outside of the brackets. 1 times 3 is 3, and then the fraction goes. Next we multiply the brackets, so we get 6 times x is 6x, and 6 times 3 equals 18. The right hand side is the same. Now we've moved all the x's to the left hand side and all the constant to the right, and then we divide by 3 by 7, so x is minus 15 over 7. Changing the subject to the formulae means putting something on its own. So the first example here, we've got make x the subject. This means we're going to have to rearrange what we've got in the equation to put x on its own. Now here we've got y equals x plus 1 all over 3x minus 2. So first of all, we're going to multiply through by the denominator to get rid of that fraction. Let's try and get rid of the fraction every time first of all. Then we're going to expand the left hand side, and that gives us 3xy minus 2y equals x plus 1. We want to put all the x's on one side and everything else on the right hand side. So we get 3xy minus x equals 1 plus 2y. We're now going to factorise out x, because that's what we want to have as a subject. So we get x equals times 3y minus 1 equals 1 plus 2y. Then we divide by the inside of the brackets, and that leaves x as the subject on its own on the left hand side.